back again. Goodbye to the island where our bodies touched. Goodbye to a little bit of heaven, and I miss you so much.